Jasmine as a houseplant. Jasmine plants like water. The soil should always be slightly moist, but not soggy. Fertilize jasmine twice a year with fertilizer that is rich in potassium and phosphorus. Keep jasmine under control with proper pruning, especially at the beginning of spring. Repot in springtime. What are jasmine flowers? Jasmine flowers are tropical blooms that thrive in warmer climates. Most varieties have a distinct scent that is popular even off the vine. The smell of jasmine can be found in everything from teas to candles to soaps to lotion. Jasmine has bright green, glossy foliage and likes sun to light shade and relatively fertile, well-drained soil. Some jasmine plants are evergreen, meaning they will keep their green leaves year-round. While growing jasmine does require some effort, it's well worth it, as the plant will put on a profuse, showy display of blooms that can liven up even the dullest of